Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we're going to do Chinese fried rice, homemade with all the veggies, and we're also going to be adding some meat in there. This is the video I did 6 years ago. This is how I started my YouTube channel. This was my first video, and this marks the anniversary because I remember doing it on Halloween Day. I don't know why, but I did it on that day. And I uploaded it in November. So 6 years ago, we're gonna redo this recipe because I've had a lot of people say, can you just redo that? Because the lighting and stuff is so bad. So I said, okay, fine, making it. So let me just shoot a video for you guys. Before we go ahead and discuss all the ingredients, I would like to take the time out to thank my daughter, my amazing daughter, Sakina, for helping me record these videos. And she's smiling. I wish you could see that $1 million smile. But yeah, so she takes time out from her busy schedule to record these videos, and I truly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. Thank you so much. So without further ado, let's go ahead, discuss all the ingredients, and make this delicious Chinese. So we've got our day-old rice. To this, I'm just quickly going to add enough soy sauce where I can see that the rice has turned a little brown. So you just want to do that. I don't like adding it in the pot itself, and I'm going to mix that. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt, spring onions that I have chopped up. I've got matchstick carrots. I've got coleslaw, or you could do just shredded cabbage. And then I have green bell pepper. You could also mix this up with the red and orange. It's winter here, so they're expensive, so I thought green would be fine. I got my shredded meat that I'm going to be adding in this Chinese rice. And then I have 2 eggs, which also we're going to be adding a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper in. So now let's get started. You want to stir fry this for just about a minute, and then we're going to be frying our egg right in here. So in goes both our eggs, salt and pepper. We're gonna give that a good mix. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to move the vegetables on the side here, and we're going to put our egg right in the middle. At this time, you want your stove on the highest it's gonna go because you want to cook this fast. You know how Chinese cooking goes, it goes fast. So now to this, I know we added soy sauce to the rice, but I just like to add a little bit of salt in it so I don't have to drench it with soy sauce. When you drench it with soy sauce, the veggies and rice become soft, so I don't like doing that. And then, I don't know about you, but I love having black pepper in my Chinese rice. I don't know what it is. If you guys are thinking, oh my God, that's weird, leave it out. But we're going to be eating this, so I'm going to add the pepper in it, black pepper. Now what I'm going to do is add my shredded meat in it, and then we're going to be mixing it with rice. At this time, I'm just going to go ahead. I still have it on high. I'm going to add my rice in there, and I'm going to stir it, and then I'm going to add a little more, and then I'm going to stir it, and then we're going to turn it completely low, and then I'm going to cover it so just that our rice and everything gets really nice and warm for dinner. So the Chinese fried rice is ready, and it tastes really, really good. No extra stuff. It's just a really nice homemade with fresh vegetables. And again, you can choose whatever vegetables you like in there. You could do bean sprouts, you could do celery, you could do all different types of stuff. In fact, I did forget to put celery in it today, now that you mentioned it. but it still turned out amazing. So do the celery, and it's tastes amazing. I do have my soy sauce on the side. I don't think I'm gonna be wanting to add any more. This is really tasty. You want to make your food super tasty, and that's where it is. We haven't added a lot of, you know, spices or anything. It's just a soy sauce, the little bit of salt that we added in there, and the black pepper, I think, does it for me. So thank you so much for joining me on Raihanna's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you get a notification every time I upload videos. I want to hit my target at 100,000 subscribers. Help me get there by sharing this video. And also, I did forget what I was going to say again. Or the magic air fryer, or the air fryer.